Hi classes. Okay, so today is a video to help you uh, see how to submit a document of the week. Now, if you already know this, you already know how to do this, you don't need to watch this video. This is just taking you step by step for those of you who don't, because this week we're starting up the revised fourth quarter and you're gonna have a document of the week for the next several weeks. And this video will just show you how to do that, okay? Also, it's good for you to see my screen so you can see that I'm honoring May 4th. As you know, May 4th is Star Wars Day. You might say, why is May 4th Star Wars Day? Get it? May 4th. So it's May the 4th be with you. So there's my little Darth Vader tie. I'm still a nerd, whether we're in physical school or not. Okay, so I'm going to share a screen, and I've put this in. I have a Google Classroom for my Take 10, and I've joined that. So, wait, you didn't get to see that. Let's do share screen. Let's try this again. I want to make sure you can see what I see so I can walk you through step by step. There we go. Okay, so first thing you've got to do is you've got to be logged into your school account, your school Gmail. If you're not in the right Gmail, you're not going to be able to access Google Classroom the right way. I know that I've got a couple students who I've sent messages to that are in the wrong Gmail account, and the way it's set up is you won't have access to the assignments. So that's step one. Make sure you're logged into the right one. Now I'm logged into a non-school account, and I've specifically given myself permission to be in just because this is the only way I can show you. If I use my school account, you see the teacher version of this. I want you to see it how you would see it. So I go to, after I'm logged into the right account, I go into Google Classroom. Now, you have hopefully a lot of Google Classroom, 7 or 8 for all your classes, but I'm going to go into my Take 10. But for you, it'd be whatever period you have me for US history. And I go into this, and I've got a new posted assignment, document of the week number 1. I click on that. Now again, don't forget to go in the stream and check out the lectures and all the things that are going to help you do well in the test. Actually, that's where the test is going to be posted too. You've got to make sure you know what you're doing there. But okay, so I have this document here. Just like I would hand you one in class, you have this document. You could click on it, and then, because you're in my class, because I've shared it with your class and you're a Sandusky City Schools address, you're going to see this document, which is excerpts from war. So it's a song from 1970, and you have all the lyrics here, and you have to do what you would normally do for a document of the week. So, yep, I understand. Okay, so you won't have editing privileges. Goodness, I hope not. So, nope, too many screens going on here. You see this document. Great. Now, once you see that document, then don't mark as done. Some of you have tried that one before, and then there's nothing to grade. What you want to do after you've read the document that is shared here is you want to add or create. So you're going to create a Google Doc. That's all there is to it. And it's going to automatically be shared with me. And when you create this Google Doc, this is where you're just writing out what you would normally write for your document of the week. And of course, my computer said it is a pop-up. So hold on, I've got to allow that to come up. Oh, there we go. Okay. So it says my name, it says document of the week number 1, and now I can just type in here. So what do? Well, the first thing you do, as always, is in the upper right-hand corner, you put your name, first and last, and then, of course, you put the source. So in this case, it's Edwin Starr's War. Okay, that's your source. I gave it to you. You're not going to have to staple it, obviously, but you do have to still list it. And then you're going to give me a summary. So basically, you're going to write 3 sentences. Remember, it has to be 3 complete sentences in your own words. What is this song about? What is the message of this song? What is this document about? Now, there's going to be other documents of the week. It's the same idea. They're all going to be documents I share with you. I may do a news, but I'll probably just do documents that I share with you. And then you'll give me a summary of what it's all about in your own words, 3 sentences. Then give your opinion after that. And again, it's 3 sentences. Use the grammar check that it has on here. If I misspell, Let's see. There we go. If I misspell a word, of course it won't do it there. It should give you like a little line or something that says, oh, you misspelled this word. And you go back and you check it. Why it's not doing it for me right now, I don't know. Okay, so you give me 3 sentences, your opinion about that article. What's your opinion of that song in this case? And then challenge. So in this case, because I'm handing you the document, even if it's virtually, the challenge is it primary or secondary? Why? So you just answer that question. You say, oh, this is a secondary document because the person wasn't there, or something along those lines, or it's a primary document because this is actually the real blah, blah, blah from, that particular time. That's all there is to it. It's worth 10 points. I'll be able to give you feedback right on there. For every 2 errors you make in spelling or grammar, that's -1 point. And I'll write in there, I'll probably put in a different color ink or something like that and write right on there so you can see that. The grade then might be kicked back to you in Google Classroom. Please know that I don't care what Google Classroom says your grade is for all of this stuff. Progress Book is your actual transcripted final grade. So there might be mistakes in Google Classroom. I will do my very best to make sure there are 0 mistakes in Progress Book. That's all there is to it. And then that's it. It's going to be there for me to see, and I will have that. Don't wait until the last minute. Mess around with this a little bit. Do your document of the week Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. And that way, hey, maybe I made a mistake. Maybe I didn't share it right. Maybe you make a mistake. You don't know how to quite do X, Y, or Z. Give yourself the time to be able to fix it. Don't start it 5 minutes before it's due. And by the way, I am going to set the due date for the start of your particular class. So I'm going to put right into the grade book that for first period, it's due Friday at 8:35. I'll probably guesstimate. And then, the next period, it'll be Friday at 11 or whatever, for each class period. Okay. If you have any questions on this, reach out to me, email me. I'll set up a Zoom. We can do a bunch of different things to make sure that you know what you're doing. I'm also in every one of your classes from 10 to 10:30, Monday through Friday. First period on Monday, third period on Tuesday, so on and so forth. And I usually write right in the comments, hey, I'm here. Anybody want to Zoom? I can Zoom or talk to you way more than that. Give me a phone number. I can call, set up a Zoom, whatever you want to do, and I can answer your questions. Fourth quarter counts. Fourth quarter is a traditional quarter. So don't set yourself up to have to retake any course that we can easily get through here this year. Okay? All right, everybody. Stay safe out there and let me know if you have any questions.